the CPA module for collaborative care. It's divided into three views. The first view, which we have here, at the left side we will have the condition role. We'll take the case out. Instead of region, there will be just group and provider. There'll be two other ways to get directly to the data. One is the patient care summary or care gap summary, or you can even call it care summary because it has both gaps and the the compliant and non-compliant. So you can put just that, and then the patient call list. Now the first view, right, which is basically I'm calling it kind of the exploration area. Now it has, as I discussed in the morning, the bar chart. The y-axis can be a toggle, which has the percentage of compliance and the number of opportunities. You can toggle in between two. It basically shows all the diseases to start with, or the cases, and you can also drill into the rules. That's the x-axis, and it has, say, diabetes, CHF, asthma, stuff like that. Initially it shows all on the table beneath that, so all the cases, if you don't select anything, which will be shown down below with all the provider details and the patient details. Instead of care opportunities, just call it a number of eligible rules with compliance, without compliance, right? As well as a link to the claim. So when you click on the patient ID or a patient name, it will take you to the one-pager view for the patient. Think about if you click on the eligible rule or with compliance or without compliance, it will take you the exact rule set and highlight for that member what quality rules are compliant or not compliant and what are the total rules based on the exact selection of the case. So if you're at a case level, you'll just highlight the cases. You have everything for that member, but you'll highlight the cases. If you're at the rule level, you will just highlight the set of rules, okay? And from here, you can also get into the claim detail for that line. Another view, as I mentioned before, is the patient care summary or the one-pager, where I mentioned before in the call in the morning that you can select the patients to generate the summary report. You can search by ID, you can search by name. You have to have an ability to have multiple names or IDs, which will populate or pre-populate the checkbox based selection criteria in the middle. You can scroll this by alphabets. You can manually go and check a patient list, and that will create the one pager, which you guys have already designed. And I'm calling this as a patient care summary. The last one is the patient call list, and this has that case and the rules approach. So you select the case and immediately the corresponding rules get selected, and you can pick the set of rules, and then you can generate this kind of call list with member details, provider ID, the phone number, address, and the eligible rule, right, why they are in that list, and you can print it and import it to the Excel, stuff like that. So basically this is the three criteria, and if you can create a demo in it can be around 8 to 10 pages, this will be great. Okay, all right guys, thanks.